No, stop. You're not giving out. No.
This is secret recipe.
Yes, it is.
Yes. We have perfected this over the years.
And no one can else know what it is.
No.
No. If I open my own shop one day,
Your top secret.
fudge recipe.
You're really gonna fight me over that recipe.
You are not getting this recipe. Stop it. You're not getting my recipe. You better not post this recipe.
Oh, you didn't tell what it is. Your only secret's the ratios. It's a basic. It's all the same, isn't it?
Pretty much, yeah.
Don't you need help when you're doing that? When it hits hardball and stuff?
Yeah.
What's that, brown sugar?
Yep.
But it's top secret how much. Brown sugar and fudge?
Peanut butter fudge.
But didn't it have like chocolate in it?
Not peanut butter fudge.
Brown sugar and peanut butter fudge.
Yep.
But no white sugar.
Yes, white
What?
sugar. I already added that a while ago. That's what you saw me stirring when I had my butter and milk and sugar in there already.
You don't have the marshmallow cream measured out?
No, can you do that, please?
Half a cup.
Yeah, we're almost there. Oh, that's hot. Can't let the ball touch the bottom of the pan. Do it continuously so it doesn't stick. Squash. Alright, you about ready? It's a half a cup. Okay. 225. Almost there. And another way to tell if you don't have a candy thermometer, when it's proper form, temperature,
Well, how do you keep it from getting too hot?
you remove it from the pan, the burner. You keep your eye on it and you don't let it get there. As soon as it gets to the temperature you're liking, you remove it from the heat. Ooh, that's hot. 25, 30. Almost there.
What, a hot water bath work better where you had a... No, it wouldn't go over boiling, would it?
No.
If you put double boiler,
No, that doesn't
it wouldn't go.
work
It
for
doesn't
this.
go over.
It doesn't get it hot enough. Okay, we're good. Watch.
What does that mean?
Yeah. Gotta move, gotta move, gotta move. I'll show you in a minute. Oh, it's on this segment. Thank you, it's hot. Gotta be quick with this.
Boy, I can smell. How come all of a sudden I can smell that?
The peanut butter I got mixed in good. The heat.
But
Well, I didn't add it until just now.
Whoa! A little too much. And get all the lumps and
Get all the white out, all the
Yeah.
cream. How long do you have to stir it? 5 minutes?
until it's nice and smooth and mixed, and then you just dump it right in your pan. It firms up quick. You gotta move fast. And you start with a buttered dish, by the way. You want to butter your dish really good.
Can
or
you
you
use
won't get good.
margarine?
No, real butter. We only use real butter around here. And you just smooth it out and get as even as you can.
When I made my deer stew, you know what I used to brown the meat in?
What?
Butter.
Yeah, that's the best. Rich
Instead of using
oil.
oil, I
Yeah.
use butter.
Yeah, you really should. Oil is really bad for you, actually. It causes cancer and all kinds of stuff.
Well, bacon grease is really good, but I didn't have bacon grease.
Right, so when you drop your little piece in the water, this will tell you what consistency your fudge will be if I can get a hold of it. You want it to be a little softball.
What's the difference between softball and hardball? If you cooked it harder, would it be like glass then, like your artificial movie
Wouldn't
glass?
be like glass. It would just be harder. It would be.
What keeps that
But
from
you
just
can get
dissolving?
it to. You can get it hard enough to get it to glass. I've done it before.